Every chore is a lesson. Today, we clean our clothes and clear our minds. Don't look for a dictionary. Look at the fabric. Listen to the water. Let's begin. Laundry Day. The laundry basket. Sort the clothes, whites and colors. Check the pockets. A stain on the collar. Zip up the pants. Open the washing machine. Load the laundry. Pour liquid detergent. Start the cycle. The clothes are spinning. Take damp clothes. Shake the shirt. Put it on a hanger. Use the clothespins. Hang the laundry. Dry in the sun. The breeze. A simple task, a clean result. Your brain just washed away the confusion and kept the English. Small steps every day lead to big changes. Well done today. Do you like doing laundry? Write clean if you learned something new. Subscribe for more daily lessons.